All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're heading into the boiler room. Because believe it or not, a huge transformation is happening right now. The good old industrial boiler, the workhorse of pretty much every industry, is getting a complete 21st century makeover. This quote really just nails it. We are watching these things evolve from what was basically a simple standalone machine into a smart, integrated piece of a much larger energy puzzle. It's a whole new ballgame. So, what's actually driving all this change? Well, it really boils down to three powerful, and I mean powerful shifts that are remaking boiler rooms as we speak. And trust me, if you work in this field, you're going to want to understand what's going on. And just to be clear, we're not talking about some small niche trend here. This is a massive turning point for the entire industry. To really get a sense of the scale, you've got to see the numbers. Whoa, look at that. Nearly $221 billion. That's what the global boiler market is projected to be worth by 2035. And get this, that staggering growth isn't just about building new plants. It's about this urgent, massive need to rip out old, aging systems and replace them with modern boilers that are actually efficient and compliant. Okay, so let's get into the first big shift. And this one is a biggie. It's all about the regulatory push. You see, decarbonization isn't just a nice idea anymore. In a lot of places, it's becoming the law. I mean, just look at what's happening. All over the world, governments are cracking down with super strict limits on emissions. This is what's really forcing everyone's hand. It's pushing a huge move away from coal. It's demanding that we finally replace those ancient, inefficient boilers, and it means complying with tough new rules on pollutants like NOx and SOx. And we're not talking about gentle suggestions either. Big policies like the EU's Green Deal or mandates from the EPA here in the US, these things have real teeth. They're literally reshaping how companies invest their money and the kind of technology they choose to buy. And here's the proof in the pudding. You can see the impact right here. Because of these aggressive policies, Europe is now responsible for a whopping 38% of all new electric boiler installations on the planet. That's a direct result of this push toward electrification and clean steam. All right, so if regulation is the why for all this change, then our second shift, the digital leap, is the how. We're talking about a massive jump forward into things like AI and IoT that is completely rewriting the rulebook on how we manage these systems. Now, at the very heart of this is an amazing concept called the digital twin. Seriously, think of it as a living, breathing MRI for your boiler. It pulls in all this real-time data from sensors, feeds it into an AI model, and gives you a perfect forensic picture of what's happening inside, all without ever having to shut it down. And this really shows you how fundamental this change is. We're moving away from that old-school reactive world of, well, the calendar says it's time for maintenance. Instead, we're in a proactive world with real-time health scores and AI that constantly optimizes performance. The goal isn't just to fix things anymore, it's to see problems coming and prevent them from ever happening. So what does that actually look like in practice? It looks like this number, 14 days. That's the average heads-up an AI system can give you before a tube is likely to fail. Imagine having a 2-week warning. And that kind of predictive power leads directly to this, a 25% reduction in maintenance costs. How? Well, you stop wasting time and money on scheduled checkups you don't need, and you only focus on the things that actually require your attention. And this isn't guesswork. The precision is just incredible. These AI models are now hitting 92% accuracy at spotting tiny malfunctions in things like valves and burners long before they can spiral into a major failure. And all of this leads to the ultimate goal, the most powerful number of all, 0. That's the number of unplanned failures on your critical production lines when you have an AI system watching your back. 0. That's an absolute game changer. Okay, that's some pretty incredible stuff, right? If you're finding this breakdown of boiler technology useful, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, maybe share this with a colleague who needs to see it, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. It really helps us out. All right, so we've got the regulations pushing us, and we've got the digital tools to get us there. That brings us to our third and final shift, building smarter day-to-day operations. This is where the rubber meets the road, turning all that data into real, tangible efficiency gains every single day. So this is the big question for every single operator out there, right? With all this new data, where are those hidden opportunities to save a little energy, to boost reliability? Let's look at a perfect example. Ah, boiler blowdown. You know the drill. For decades, we've basically just been throwing money down the drain by dumping that super hot water. Well, smarter systems do something so simple it's brilliant. They use a heat recovery unit to grab that escaping energy and use it to preheat the cold water coming in. It seems like a small thing, but that one tweak can boost your total boiler efficiency by up to 2%. That adds up fast. And this right here perfectly captures the new philosophy. The old way was just running a timer. Ding, time to blow down, which was incredibly wasteful. The smart way? You use real-time sensors to actually measure the water quality, and you only blow down when you absolutely have to. You save water, you save chemicals, and you save a tremendous amount of energy. So let's put it all together. When you combine that regulatory push, the digital leap forward, and these smarter ways of operating, what does the boiler room of the very near future actually look like? Well, here it is in a nutshell. The boiler of the future is no longer just some dumb box in a back room. It's compliant by its very design. It's intelligent and predictive. It is relentlessly efficient. And maybe most importantly, it's fully integrated into the entire plant's energy network. And that brings us to our final and maybe most important thought. As boilers transform from being pieces of mechanical hardware into these intelligent, data-generating systems, the role of the people running them has to change too. So I want to leave you with this question to chew on. What do you think is the single most critical skill for the boiler operator of tomorrow? Definitely let us know your thoughts on that in the comments. We'd love to hear your take. We hope this explainer gave you a clear view of where industrial boilers are headed. If you found it valuable, please go ahead and like this video, share it with a colleague, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more deep dives into the technology that powers our world.